Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 9 and today I'll show you how we can copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your Google folder where you'll find your contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it. From here, tap on the three bars, navigate to settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option. Select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, I have a bunch of them grayed out and deselected. Those contacts already exist on my phone, as you've probably seen in the contacts list, so the phone is stopping me from importing them twice. Now from here, you can also deselect contacts that you might not want. From there, click on import, and this will import only the selected contacts, which you'll be able to see right here. So there we go, that's how we can import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.